There's a quiet shift happening in the way we think about our home, a movement where beauty is no longer defined by excess, but by intention. Imagine stepping into a space where every texture, every material, every detail feels grounded, natural, and purposeful. This is where rustic decorating meets the future, where sustainability isn't a compromise, but the secret to achieving a truly high-end inside design. In 2026, the most inspiring homes won't be the ones filled with more, but the ones designed with meaning. Think reclaimed wood that carries history, soft natural fabrics that breathe life into a room, and spaces that feel effortlessly connected to nature. This is not just decorating, it's a lifestyle shift, where zero-waste principles shape a home that feels both luxurious and deeply human. Here on Hambelung Studio, we explore how to transform your everyday spaces into timeless sanctuaries. Today, we're uncovering the rustic decorating secrets that redefine modern inside design, helping you create a home that is not only stunning, but sustainable in every sense. The heart of a rustic zero-waste home. Imagine walking into a living room where every piece tells a story, not just of style, but of purpose. This is where rustic decorating meets zero-waste living, where your home becomes both beautiful and responsible. To create this look, start with reclaimed wood furniture. Think coffee tables crafted from salvaged timber or shelving made from repurposed crates. The imperfections, those knots, textures, and weathered finishes, are exactly what give rustic inside design its soul. Layer your space with natural textiles like linen, organic cotton, or even upcycled fabrics. Instead of buying new decor, consider restoring vintage items or sourcing second-hand treasures. A worn leather chair or a hand-woven rug instantly elevates your home into a high-end rustic sanctuary. Lighting is key. Swap out plastic-heavy fixtures for metal, glass, or even handmade clay lamps. Warm lighting enhances that cozy, grounded atmosphere. This isn't just decorating, it's storytelling through sustainability. where sustainability meets style. Now let's step into the kitchen, the soul of a zero-waste home. Picture open wooden shelves lined with glass jars, each filled with grains, spices, and ingredients bought in bulk. No plastic. No clutter. Just intentional living. To design this space, ditch disposable culture and embrace timeless materials. Use reclaimed wood for your dining table and pair it with mismatched vintage chairs for that effortless rustic charm. Incorporate stone countertops or recycled materials that mimic natural textures. Copper or cast iron cookware not only looks stunning but lasts generations. True zero-waste essentials. For decorating, think minimal but meaningful. Dried herbs hanging on the wall, handmade ceramics, or even old cutting boards displayed as art pieces. This is inside design that blends function with beauty. Your kitchen becomes more than a place to cook, it becomes a reflection of conscious living. A sanctuary of calm and conscious design. Your bedroom should feel like a retreat, a place where rustic decorating wraps you in calm while honoring the planet. Start with a neutral color palette, earth tones, soft whites, and warm browns. These colors naturally evoke a grounded, organic feel. Choose furniture made from sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood. Even better, repurpose old furniture with a fresh finish. A vintage dresser can become the centerpiece of your home with just a little creativity. For bedding, opt for organic materials, linen sheets, wool blankets, or bamboo fibers. Not only are they eco-friendly, but they also add that soft, luxurious touch to your inside design. Keep decor minimal. A few carefully chosen pieces, like a handmade lamp, a woven basket, or a piece of wall art crafted from recycled materials, create a serene, high-end rustic atmosphere. In a zero-waste home, less truly becomes more. clean, minimal, and mindfully designed. The bathroom is where simplicity shines. A zero-waste rustic bathroom feels like stepping into a natural spa. Replace plastic containers with glass jars and refillable dispensers. Use wooden trays or stone accents to organize your essentials. These small changes instantly elevate your decorating style. For design, incorporate natural elements. Think pebble flooring, clay pots, or bamboo accessories. Even your towels can reflect sustainability by choosing organic cotton or recycled fibers. A rustic mirror with a reclaimed wood frame adds character, while soft, warm lighting enhances the calming atmosphere. This is inside design that prioritizes both aesthetics and intention, proving that even the smallest room in your home can make a big impact. Extending your zero-waste lifestyle outdoors. Now, step outside, because your zero-waste home doesn't stop at the door. A rustic garden is the ultimate expression of sustainable living. Start by using repurposed materials, old barrels as planters, wooden pallets as vertical gardens, or even broken ceramics as decorative pathways. Grow your own herbs, vegetables, or flowers. Not only does this reduce waste, but it also connects you deeply to your space. For decorating, embrace the imperfect beauty of nature. Let vines climb freely, use stones as natural borders, and incorporate handmade outdoor furniture crafted from reclaimed wood. This is where rustic design truly comes alive, blending seamlessly with the environment while creating a peaceful retreat. As we've seen, creating a zero-waste home in 2026 doesn't mean sacrificing beauty, it means redefining it. Through rustic decorating, thoughtful material choices, and intentional inside design, your home can become a space that reflects both elegance and responsibility. From the living room to the garden, every detail plays a role in shaping a sustainable, high-end lifestyle. If this inspired you to rethink your approach to decorating and design, then you're already part of a growing movement, one that values purpose as much as aesthetics. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Handbelung Studio, and share it with someone who's ready to transform their home. Let's build a community where rustic design, sustainability, and creativity come together to shape the future of inside design. And remember, great design isn't about having more, it's about making better.